Menu Bar and Toolbar. Commands for managing the IDE and for developing, maintaining, and executing apps are contained in menus, which are located in the menu bar for the IDE. Menus contain groups of related commands called menu items that, when selected, cause the IDE to perform specific actions. For example, open a window, save a file, print a file, and execute an app. For example, selecting File, New, Project tells the IDE to display the New Project dialog. You can access many common menu commands from the toolbar, which contains icons that graphically represent commands. By default, the standard toolbar is displayed when you run Visual Studio for the first time. It contains icons for the most commonly used commands, such as opening a file, saving files, and running apps. The icons that appear on the standard toolbar may vary, depending on the version of Visual Studio you are using. Some commands are initially disabled. These commands are enabled by Visual Studio only when you can use them. For example, Visual Studio enables the command for saving a file once you begin editing a file. You can customize which toolbars are displayed by selecting View, Toolbars, then select a toolbar from the list. Each toolbar you select is displayed with the other toolbars at the top of the Visual Studio window. You move a toolbar by dragging its handle at the left side of the toolbar. To execute a command via the toolbar, click its icon. It can be difficult to remember what each toolbar icon represents. Hovering the mouse pointer over an icon highlights it, and after a brief pause, displays a description of the icon called a tooltip. These tips help you become familiar with the IDE's features and serve as useful reminders for each toolbar icon's functionality.